Presiden Bharatiya Janata Party ka Meghalaya uba Ernest Maury ula pintip ba kaseng kan sabu ka Jing Ujor Pyrshah ya kaseng All India Trinamool Congress siya ka Election Commission Halor ka Jingpyllait ya ka matrekam ba kongsan jong ka Aitc ka Meghalaya Financial Inclusion for Women Empowerment. Uba Maury ula kentho ba ka wikat ka day ka buit ban kring ya kibriw da ka bakular ban ay pisa sikilong kami ha ka jela lada ka seng kawan ha ka bor. Ka skim ka balapalat da ka TMC ha ka jela minta upnay ka long ban ay jingera pisa si hajar tingka shibnay siya baro kilong kami jong ka jela lada ki penrung ha ka wikat skim.
Power after 3 months, I think, if I'm not mistaken. So this is a false promise. You see, TMC, as I have stated before, it is the party which belongs from West Bengal. And now they claim themselves that they are a national party. They have come with this weekend by promising the woman that they will provide 1,000 per month. That is 12,000 per annum. We request the people, large in our state, they should not cheat the woman. As you know, we are the maternal society, we respect the woman, and this type of promise they should not bring in our state.